Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted contacts using your Android phone. So if you want to know how to recover deleted contacts, just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So first, go to your contacts. Then delete all of this. Now, let's go to settings. Then right here, search for account. Then go to accounts and sync. Then tap Google. Let's see the account that I am using. Now, let's open the browser. Then type contacts.google.com. Then click Settings. Then click Undo Changes. So right here, you have a choice to undo changes. I will just click 10 minutes ago. Then click Undo. And now, I restored back my contacts. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!